Welcome to Future Tech. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the realm of remarkable gadgets and inventions for 2023 that you can get your hands on right now. Modern technology continues to push the boundaries, and these gadgets are no exception. But before we delve into the world of innovation, make sure to hit that like button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future uploads. Now, let's explore these cutting-edge devices. Number 9. Cleyu, the future of face masks. As face masks become an integral part of our daily lives, Cleyu emerges as a game changer, offering a clear filter media for improved visibility and breathability. Priced at just $33, this mask features a UV-based disinfectant system, safeguarding against harmful bacteria and germs. Cleyu eliminates the need for disposable masks by incorporating an electronic self-disinfectant mechanism that can be recharged daily. The Pro model even includes built-in Bluetooth functionality for seamless device interaction. Number 8. BlazePod, elevating home workouts with smart training. Say goodbye to expensive gym memberships with BlazePod, an innovative device that transforms your home into a personal training ground. The BlazePod kit, priced at $399, includes 6 pods, 6 straps, 6 suction cups, and a charging base. Connected to a user-friendly app, BlazePod guides you through a variety of full-body workouts, enhancing reflexes and overall fitness. With numerous activities to choose from, you can tailor your workout to suit your body and lifestyle. Explore the future of home fitness with BlazePod. Number 7. CoroHook, your everyday defender against infection. Introducing CoroHook, a groundbreaking multi-tool device designed to help protect against the spread of infection, particularly COVID-19. While it's essential to note that CoroHook is not a medical device, it serves as an additional layer of defense by minimizing direct contact with potentially contaminated surfaces, offering resistance to various infections, bacteria, and viruses. Priced at an estimated $11, CoroHook is a versatile solution for navigating everyday tasks in public spaces. From turning on light switches and opening doors to handling your phone and keys, this all-in-one tool offers peace of mind in a world where hygiene is paramount. Remember to adhere to CDC and WHO guidelines and continue practicing proper hand hygiene. Number 6. GDU-02, elevating drone technology with precision and performance. As the popularity of drones soars, the GDU-02 emerges as a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking advanced features and exceptional performance. This drone boasts a built-in 4K camera with a state-of-the-art vision positioning system, ensuring sharp and stable footage with its 3-axis video stabilization feature. Recording up to 1 kilometer away, it transfers the video feed to various storage devices. Unique to the GDU-02 is its obstacle avoidance technology, providing peace of mind during flight. The drone comes equipped with the GDU Mini app, allowing for smart stunts and functions, and even flying without a wireless remote. The app also features built-in editing and sharing software. Priced at $499, the GDU-02 offers an impressive all-in-one drone experience, making it a compelling choice for those seeking advanced capabilities without breaking the bank. Number 5. Space 3D, affordable precision in 3D printing. Meet Space 3D, the ambitious 3D printer that boldly claims to be the most affordable 10-inch printer on the market. Packed with features, it boasts a super high resolution of 2560 bus 1600 and a powerful 140W LED matrix, promising print speeds up to twice as fast as comparable printers, reaching impressive rates of 40 mm per hour. The built-in LCD touchscreen ensures user-friendly controls for a seamless printing experience. Space 3D has garnered attention from various websites and news blogs, making waves in the tech industry. Currently available on Kickstarter, the base model is priced at approximately $599, with multiple versions to suit different needs, brings 3D printing to a whole new level, making it accessible for enthusiasts and creators alike. Number 4. Chiller. Induction. Cooling for instantly cold beverages. Chiller, a cutting-edge technology in its prototype phase, has recently hit the market, raising funds on Indiegogo to support its innovative idea. This device utilizes induction cooling to keep your beverages refreshingly cold on warm summer days. Housed in a small coaster compatible with various drink containers, Chiller promises to cool your drinks rapidly when plugged in and activated. While the cooling duration isn't specified, the company guarantees a quiet operation that won't disrupt your daily activities or movie-watching experience. Number 3. iRobot Mira 530, robotic pool cleaner by the pioneers of smart cleaning. iRobot, renowned for its autonomous vacuums, introduces the Mira 530, a robotic pool cleaner that takes the hassle out of pool maintenance. Similar to their vacuum lineup, the Mira 530 is designed to autonomously navigate and clean the bottom of your pool. Simply place the device in the pool, and it will efficiently scoop up leaves and debris, creating a clean swimming environment. While availability is currently limited, the estimated price for this high-tech pool cleaner is around $600, providing a convenient and cost-effective solution for pool maintenance. Number 2. All Jacks, simplifying phone charging with wireless convenience. All Jacks, currently seeking backers on Indiegogo, presents a straightforward solution to phone charging through its built-in wall adapter. Priced at a projected $49, promising an easy and efficient charging experience. While it's not yet available for purchase, All Jacks aims to provide user-friendly wireless charging by simply placing your device on top and letting the outlet do the rest of the work. Keep an eye on this promising device, as it looks to redefine convenience in phone charging. Number 1. Roly LightPad. Block. Music creation at your fingertips. The Roly LightPad Block is a unique music device designed to make music creation a tactile and visually engaging experience, creating music through finger movements. The pad displays light patterns, providing a visual representation of how gestures impact the music. Compatible with a variety of music creation programs, the LightPad Block lets users feel the music at their fingertips while remixing beats. Available on Amazon for $64.99, the Roly LightPad Block is a versatile and easy-to-use device that connects to your phone or computer, allowing you to tap, press, or gesture to create your own musical compositions.